Today, we're diving into the new Pavilion 15-BA078DX 15-BA079DX HD 15.6-inch LED LCD touch replacement screen. This screen boasts a 15.6-inch touch display with a WXGA resolution of 1366 by 768. Whether you're into glossy or matte finishes, this product has you covered, depending on stock availability. The display technology here is LCD, and it comes with a special feature, touchscreen capability. It's crucial to note that this is a screen-only purchase, not an entire laptop. The warranty stands at a solid 1 year. Now, let's talk compatibility. It's extremely important to match the resolution, backlight, and screen size to your current display. Any deviation from these specifications may lead to compatibility issues. If you're uncertain about your current screen specs, reach out to customer support for assistance. On the plus side, you're guaranteed a 100% compatible screen. The specific brand and part number will be determined by market availability at the time of purchase. In summary, if you're in need of a replacement screen for your laptop, and it aligns with the mentioned specifications, the new Pavilion 15-BA078DX 15-BA079DX HD 15.6-inch LED LCD touch replacement screen could be a solid choice. Keep in mind the resolution, backlight, and size match are key for a seamless upgrade. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.